So why were the winds so freaking strong in Colorado yesterday? Let's break down the science because these numbers were crazy. 94 miles per hour in Buckeye and Rocky Flats. That's as strong as a Category 1 hurricane, as an EF1 tornado. Even Boulder saw gusts to 85 miles per hour. So it all has to do with what we call a mountain wave. So basically this happens on the leeward side of mountains, which is where the Front Range is set up, right? We've got the Rocky Mountains and we're kind of in the lee of them. So the wind is going to come from the mountains and travel down. So typically the wind would go up, it might keep traveling up into the atmosphere, but we had some stable air above the mountains. So what happens is instead of kind of going up and, having a lot of space to work with, it's forced back down really drastically, really wildly in that way that brings us these incredibly strong winds. And as it goes down the side of the mountains, we call it downslope. And that leads to adiabatic warming, which means that parcel of air is going to warm and dry as it's forced down the side of the mountain. So that's why we have the Chinook winds. You've probably heard of the Santa Ana winds, a little bit more famous and well known for that fire weather wind. So it's really, really remarkable what we've been working with. So that's what happened yesterday. I don't think we're going to see that mountain wave setup happen for the next 2 days. So it's not going to be quite as strong, but yeah, we're just really kind of lucky in location or unlucky.